name is Vanessa.
And moatro, Winton School. I'm Hannah. Welcome to N.E.W.S news for the meeting the 19th of June.
Okay, we start the day with te kupu or te wiki.
This week's word is tohuto, which is stereo for macron, which is the little hatch above some vowels in Rio.
Kaha. Okay, on to library news. The library is open today for tourists browsing and issues.
It's nice and friendly and warm and dry inside, in the best school library in Southland.
A big kia kaha to all our students representing Winton School today at Southland X-Country. Go big!
Okay, high-vis vests. Most students are wearing them to and from school. We need everyone wearing them.
And if you miss any notices, you can play the news again, or you can read all the notices in the text box below.
Health and safety news. All wet and muddy areas are out around the school are out of bounds.
Play away from the mud and water. It's winter. Anyone caught bringing mud inside will be in trouble.
Competition time. Okay, it's time to start promoting our school production in evening with a song.
If you're into competitions, go to the office and see Mrs. Reed for the information sheets.
All posters need to be in by Friday, the 26th of June, next Friday.
Big southbound news. Both Winton School teams competed on Wednesday night against schools from all over Southland.
Both Winton teams got toor fourth, which you were there, Vanessa. How was it?
Really good. We had to spell a bunch of tricky words and we were awesome. Congratulations to both teams.
Okay, one birthday today at Winton School today. Olivia Wilson turns 7. Happy birthday, Olivia.
And tomorrow, Luke Peters is turning 8.
Happy birthday, guys. Have a great day. Enjoy your birthdays.
Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for tuning in.
From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, both in front and behind the camera, ka kite te wiki.
I don't know, Winton School. Toodaloo.